Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Today we are going to learn new topic in English grammar, that is degree of comparison. First, see what is degree of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are three types of degree, or you can say there are three degrees of comparison. First, positive degree, comparative degree, and the last is superlative degree. What is positive degree? The positive degree is used to refer to one object, one person, or one place without making any comparison. For example, she has a big house. Here we have not compared this house with any other house. So, here this is the positive degree. Comparative degree. The comparative degree refers to a degree greater of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, two people, or two places. For example, here are two pictures given of house. Have you seen any difference? We can compare it. Yes. How we can compare it? Her house is bigger than my house. In the left side, the picture shows the bigger house, or in the right side, it shows smaller one. So we can compare these two house as her house is bigger than my house. So here the bigger is the adjective of comparison and it is comparative degree. Third, the superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of an adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. See the example here. Here are three houses are given. We can say her house is biggest of all. See this, the picture showing in the left is biggest than these two houses. Here we are comparing this house with two houses. So here we use superlative degree of comparison. Let's see some rules. We add er and est to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. That means the word ends with the consonant. We add er and est to this words, or you can say this adjective. For example, see this adjective is here dull. Dull, here the letter L is the consonant. So in the comparative degree we add er. It becomes duller, or in superlative degree we add est. So it becomes dullest. Here are some more examples of this: tall, taller, tallest; small, smaller, smallest; young, younger, youngest; long, longer, longest; bold, bolder, boldest; fast, faster, fastest; bright, brighter, and brightest. So all this adjective in positive degree ends with the consonant letter, that is L, G, D, and T, etc. So we add er and est to this adjective. When the positive ends in e, we add r and st to adjective. Example, large. So here the adjective large ends with letter E. So in comparative degree we add only R. So it becomes larger, or in superlative degree we add ST. So it becomes largest. Here are some more examples: brave, braver, bravest, fine, wise, nice, close, white, dense. All the positive ends in alphabet E. So we add R to the comparative degree and ST to the superlative degree. When the positive ends in consonant plus Y, so we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. Example: lucky. See, here in the positive degree, the adjective lucky ends with consonant plus Y, that is K and Y. So we drop Y here and add IER in the comparative. So it becomes luckier. See, we drop Y and add IER. Or in superlative degree, we drop Y and add IEST. It becomes luckiest. Here are some more examples based on this rule: easy, easier, easiest; wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest; lazy, pretty, heavy, happy, dirty. All this positive ends with consonant plus Y. So we drop Y and add IER in comparative degree, or in superlative degree we drop Y and add IEST. Rule number 4. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, we double the ending consonant and add ER and EST. That means the word ends with vowel and consonant. That means in the second last place there is a vowel, or in the last place there is a consonant. So what we should do, we should double the ending consonant, and after that we add ER in and EST. See the example here: red. See, it ends with the vowel plus consonant. Here the vowel is E and consonant is D. So what we have to do in comparative degree, we double the D and add ER. It becomes redder. Or in superlative degree, again we add consonant and add EST. It becomes reddest. Here are some more examples based on this rule: big, bigger, biggest; hot, hotter, hottest; thin, thinner, thinnest; fat, fatter, fattest; fit, fitter, and fittest; slim, slimmer, and slimmest; sad, sadder, and saddest. All in the positive word ends with vowel plus consonant. So in every comparative degree we double the consonant and add ER in comparative, and in superlative we add EST. Rule number 5. When the positive is long, that is a word of two more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. That means here are examples: useful, more useful, most useful. Some examples: active, more active, most active; beautiful, more most beautiful; difficult, more difficult, most difficult; useful, more useful, most useful; faithful, important and expensive. In comparative, we add more. So it becomes more faithful, more important, more expensive. In superlative, we add most. So it becomes most faithful, most important, and most expansive. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. That means here are some adjectives, they do not form any comparative or superlative form by adding er, ier, est, iest, more, and most, because they are irregular irregular in degree of comparison. See the example: good. We cannot say gooder, goodest, or goodier, goodiest. We the good is the irregular adjective, so it's better, and in superlative it is best. Here are more some examples of irregular degree of comparison, that is good, well, or in comparative better, it's best, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, little, less, least, far, farther, farthest. So students, we use then with the comparative degree. Use the with superlative degree. Example: here are two boys. One is Ricky and another one is Mohan. Mohan is shorter than Ricky. Shorter is the comparative degree. So we use then. We use then with this comparative degree. C. We use the with the superlative degree, because we are comparing here. See, Falguni is the shortest girl in her class. We are comparing more than two person, okay, or more than two people here. So we use the with the superlative degree. Shortest is the superlative degree. So students, what we have learned in this video: meaning, that is an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are three types of degree of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. Comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people, or places. Superlative degree. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of an adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people, or places. What the rules are to change the degree of comparison? We add er and est to most one or two syllable word that end in consonant. Example: tall, taller, and tallest. When the positive ends in e, we add r and st to adjective. Example: large, larger, largest. When the positive ends in consonant plus y, so we drop y and add ier and iest. Example: lucky, luckier, and luckiest. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, so we double the ending consonant and add er and st. Example: red, redder, and reddest. When the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form the comparative and superlative degrees. Example: useful, more useful, and most useful. And last, there are three adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degree of comparison. Example: good, better, and best. So, students, I hope you all understood about the degree of comparison, what are the rules to change the degree of comparisons. As you have any question, you can ask me. Till then, take care and thank you. Jazakallah.